Alright, I'm going to try this again. So, consecutive integers. Consecutive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's one and after another. The product of two positive consecutive integers is 56. Product means multiply. So if I let the first positive consecutive integer equal x, and then after x, so if x let's just say it was 5. 5 plus 1 would be 6. So whatever number your x is, if you add 1 to it, it's going to give you your second integer. So then x plus 1 is going to be my second consecutive integer. So I'm multiplying, so it's going to be x times x plus 1 equals 56. Okay, so I'm going to multiply that. So x times x equals x squared. X times 1 is 1x, or just x. And then I'm going to subtract this 50, so it's going to equal 56. Subtract the 56 because you want it to equal 0. And then when you do that, you're going to need to get this factored. So then you have x squared plus x minus 56 equals 0, and then you're going to square that. So what times what equals 56? Sorry, negative 56, and then add it together, you get 1. And it's going to be 8 and negative 7. Can't be a negative because it's got to be a positive. So it's going to be 7, and then what comes after 7 is 8. So 7 and 8. 10 is like that. Number 11, find two positive consecutive odd integers. So I'm going to skip a number. That the square of the first is added to 3 times the second. So if I let x equal my first consecutive positive odd integer, and then I am going to add 2 to that, because if the x, let's just say, is 3, 4, 5, add 2. X plus 2 is my second one. So what I'm going to do is it says the square the first one, so square this, so x squared, and then added to 3 times the second. So this is my second number. 3 times this is going to be 3 times x plus 2, and it's going to equal 24. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and multiply that. So it's going to be x squared, okay, plus 3x, and then 3 times 2 is plus 6, and then it's going to equal 24. Okay, again, you want it equal to 0, so you're going to subtract 24, subtract 24. So you're going to get x squared plus 3x. 6 minus 24 is going to be negative 18 equals 0. Factor. Two binomials. What times what equals negative 18? And then adds to positive 3. So it's going to be x plus 6. And then x minus 3 equals 0. So then this is going to be x equals negative 6. And x equals positive 3. Okay, again, it's going to be a positive integer, so it can't be this one, so it's got to be 3. So 3 is your first one. So 3, then your next odd is going to be 5. So 3 and 5. Alright, done with this one. And it looks like we have one more, maybe 2 to go, and then we are done. Okay, so make sure your note cards are made and you're keeping up with homework. See you later.